All right, Jeff, here's your LS. Give you a description. This combination. It's got a set of our CNC heads, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the iron block, 408 cubic inches. Now, you're gonna run your own manifold. We've got a sniper, Holley sniper on there. ATI dampener. Want her to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie here, 3,800, 466 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 531, peak horsepower 594, rated 575, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean. Kind of show you a couple of other things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it all. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have some more specs and your engine number. Need anything from us? The engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, QR code, hover over that, takes more tech stuff. So highly recommend watch all this. Have a great day.